You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Indian cricketer. If you want to learn more names from cricket, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. And until the end of the video, we've got them all the confusing ones for you there. So let's break it down. Ravichandran Ashwin. English pronunciation. That's Indian, Ravichandran Ashwin. In English, Ravichandran Ashwin. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.